Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today is our second day here in Kuala Lumpur. So atong itinerary today will be going to Genting Highlands. So we're taking now guys a rapid KL train going to the city central.
Stasiun berikutnya, Hamdawat.
We're here in KL Central now. We've reached KL Central.
If you experience sexual harassment, declare all
Kaon siya tagmamahaw guys before tamadto sa Genting Highlands kay it's already 9 o'clock here, so mamahaw sa taon na. Okay. So, hanapin natin ang bus pa Genting. So, dito tayo, bababa tayo.
So mao ni ang underground area guys. So naa diri ang station para ang bus station para padung sa Genting Highlands. So ato sang gipangita kay murag confusing kaayo tungod sa kadako pod sa mall.
And we're walking to get the ticket going to Genting. So, mao ni siya ang bus stop. There is a new Star Mall.
But guys, sad to say, unfortunately, pag inquire na mo sa bus, walay trip going to Genting Highlands. So, medyo murag na dismaya mi gamay. So, what we can do? So, wala gid ko na trip padong dito karon. So, we just pass by to any pwedeng suroy-suroyan sa diri sa Kuala Lumpur. So naami diri sa French fries nga mao ni sikat nga French fries diri nga must be eaten when you visit Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Lami gyud kayo guys.
Pavilion Kuala Lumpur.
So since wala ta madayon sa Genting Highlands, so amo nilang gi-explore pod ang mga mall sa Kuala Lumpur. So mao ni siya ang Pavilion Mall. Mga branded ni siya. Ang mga baligya ani nga mall puros mga branded. So ni-try lang pod mig suroy-suroy dire. And see what Malaysia also can offer.
Rolex Mediante to. Gani. Yeah, Kuala Lumpur Pavilion.
So busy pod kaayo karon guys ang city because it's a Sunday today, so almost of the people here are off from work. So mao nang medyo daghan tao, traffic pod as the same sa Philippines. So enjoy lang mi ani og suroy-suroy.
Number 1 kuan nila ba Uniqlo?
Uniqlo is Chinese.
Oh.
So after dito mi sa city center, so karon during nighttime we went to River of Life. So this is one of the tourist spot also in Kuala Lumpur. So karon guys, among gibalik ang Merdeka Square, which niari na mi gahapon, but during the daytime, so we wanted to see also the place nga evening time pod. So at least nice nga naiari pod mi og evening kay nice pod kaayo ang mga lights. So since dili pod kaayo init, so we've enjoyed the tour during the nighttime also. So this is Abdul Samad Building during nighttime. So daghan pod kaayong turista pod nga nagsuroy diri karon because of nice ang weather. So guys, that sum ups our second day diri sa Kuala Lumpur. So thank you for taking time to watch my video and see you again in the next one. Bye!